Hi guys, Linda here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply your eyeshadow and get it to blend effortlessly well together. So if you want to see how to do that, then do want to keep on watching this video, guys, and please subscribe. So we'll be starting out by applying this white base all around the eyes and using the ENL Beauty 2-in-1 eyeshadow brush to blend that eyeshadow base all over. Then next, using the Shire shade from the ENL Beauty The Divine eyeshadow palette, we'll be using that Shire shade as our transition color. You guys can see how pigmented this color is. Like, the eyeshadow is so pigmented. Like, it comes out how it truly is. So the makeup artist is actually blending that eyeshadow all around the crease area using that eyeshadow brush, and then she's also going to be using that orange shade named Fit, and she's also just blending it slightly above the shade, the Shire shade. She's just blending it all around the crease area and doing the same thing too for the other eyes. So after she's done blending the two colors in really well together, she's going to be going in with the shade Onyinye. Onyinye is a shimmery color. The thing with eyeshadows is it's best to actually like apply your shimmery colors on your eyelids. The shimmery color is not the color you want to be using to blend. What you tend to use in blending are like matte shades. That's like what you use for your transition colors are matte eyeshadows. While when it comes to like lead eyeshadows, you want something that actually like makes your eye pop. You want to use a shimmer, or you want to even use like a glitter, or you want to even use like a matte. When it comes to your crease area, which is the area between your brow bone and your eyelids, you need to use a matte eyeshadow for blending there. So she's still using that shade named Onyinye all around the inner part of her eyelids, and man, the model's eyelids are so beautiful, and even the color of the eyeshadow is so pigmented and so like it's giving me this green, pink, gold vibe. Like, the color is so beautiful. Onyinye is such a beautiful color. So she's going back in with Shire, and she's using Shire to kind of like, you know, define the corners of her eyelids, just to like create like the outer, to really define the outer V area. So she's still using that same eyeshadow brush that I noticed. She's still using the ENL Beauty 2-in-1 eyeshadow brush to do all of this. She's still trying to really ensure that she blends all the shades together. Like, blending is really important when it comes to eyeshadow. So she's going back in with the orange tone shade named Fit and blending all around the crease area, just to ensure that all of the eyeshadows are well blended and it looks like, you know, really smooth. Like, there are no harsh lines anywhere, just to ensure that the whole look really comes out really nice. So she's going in with this really deep brown shade named Onyeka. She's using it to further define the outer V area of our model's eyes, and really it's really like putting the whole look together. It's really giving the look a lot of definition and richness. So she's just using that same blending brush. She just blend that brown shade around the outer V area of the model's eyes. You can see, like, just on the outer V area, you can see how the ends of the eyes are like, you know, you just have to just follow the shape. You know, you have a look in your mind, you just have to follow that shape. You're trying to, like, you know, place that color like in a V area. You can see how she's moving the brush. She's just focusing it on that outer V area and into like the crease area of the eye. Done with the eyeshadows on the eyelids, we go over to the bottom lash line and we start to shade that color named Shire underneath our lower lash line, and then subsequently after doing that, we'll be going in with the shade Anna and just blending it just slightly above the shade where the shade Shire was applied. And that's basically it for this makeup look. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, if you found it really helpful, do also encourage us by giving it a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel if you'd like to see more content like this. I love you, and have a great day, guys. Bye.